So some of the deciding factors, when I was looking at my program, were just looking at a holistic perspective and understanding that the School of Education and being a rehab psych major allows me to really take a holistic perspective when it comes to healthcare. Not only looking at what the healthcare needs of all individuals are, but also looking at inequities and looking at ways we can improve healthcare outside of the normal ways we think about it.
Yeah, a really meaningful volunteer experience that I have was I was taking RPSC 300, which involves having a volunteer hour requirement, and I was volunteering at the Catholic Charities Adult Day Center, and it was really one of the first times that I was able to work with people with disabilities instead of just learning about them in an academic setting.
One class that has had the biggest impact to my program and to me was Rehabilitation Psychology and Special Education 200. When I took it my freshman year, my first semester, it was a part of a FIG, which is a first year interest group. I loved the class, the content we would cover. It really allowed us to dive into the field of disability.
So the Rehabilitation Psychology program has amazing opportunities to support various career goals as an undergraduate. The school does an amazing job of helping you find an internship, as well as supporting you throughout the process. So my biggest piece of advice for anyone starting college is definitely to utilize the help of your professors. The Rehabilitation Psychology program here at UW has an amazing set of staff members who are always willing to go above and beyond.
A few tips I have for people who are just entering college, no matter who you are, be yourself and embrace your identity, because ultimately, no matter where you're going to school, there are going to be people around you who share like-minded ideas and share your core values. And understanding who you are, especially when you're going into whatever field you may be, is really important to understand.